Things you need to eat when necessary. For stress, eat banana and watermelon. For good vision, eat carrot, apple and vitamin A. For good skin, eat lemon, apple, coconut, carrot and mango. For cough, eat pineapple, garlic and ginger. For diarrhea, eat coconut, avocado and cabbage. For good gut, eat cabbage, garlic and onions. For hydration, eat cucumber, orange and watermelon. For good kidney, drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Eat beans, tomatoes and cucumber. For good heart, eat avocado, eat beans, garlic and onions. For good prostate, eat tomatoes, salsa, carrot and beans. For more red blood cell, eat beetroot, carrot and cucumber. For good erection, eat watermelon, carrot, banana, eggs and nuts. For strong bone and immunity, eat eggs, fish and beef. For liver, eat watermelon. For colon, eat orange and cucumber. For your body, do exercise. For your brain, read and eat egg. To reduce weight, intermittent fasting, drinking warm water for 30 days, eat fruits every day. Indeed, nature heals. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Bye.